Underground back with a banger video for you guys today. So I got my boy here, 330 Spades, also known as Jack. I'm gonna tag him his Instagram, and I'll post his Instagram and all his YouTube in the end of the video. What's your YouTube?
My YouTube is DSS Vlogs.
I already bet. I'll shout him out. I'll put it at the end of the video like I said. But he's out here with his BMW 330, and it's his first time ever at Milan. And the thing is, it's just a 2021 BMW 330 xDrive. It's a 2-liter inline-4 turbocharged motor. But the thing is, he's got a tune on it and downpipes. So, like I said, it's his first time here at Milan. His first run will be just to see what he runs and to see what he can stand against in the quarter mile. So it'll be interesting just to see what this car runs and what it can stand against. Let's show you the engine.
All right, so right here we got my car. It is basically the inline-4 Alex was talking about. So basically, if you come over here, we got my catless downpipe right down in there. You can tell by it's a little smaller. It's just right in there. And then if you come over to this side of the car, right here, we got my tune and the connector. And
hit it, tune.
First race, baby. All right, let's check how everything went. I'm about to get my ticket, and let's see how it all went down.
Alrighty guys, so I'm with my boy Xavier. We're in his Charger RT. He's got some stuff done to it. We're here with my boy Josh as well. Thank you, Xavier, for allowing me to be in the car while you're drifting. Same with Josh.
Remember, you ain't gotta give it that much no more.
I got you. Alrighty, but I'll see y'all when we're sliding. Alrighty, here we go. It's alright, it's alright. It's alright. Alrighty, part 2 in Xavier's car. Alrighty guys, so I got Jack lined up with a BMW 330i. I don't know what's done to it, but he's gonna run it down again, and hopefully this will be a good race. I don't know who's gonna win, 330 xDrive or 650 BMW. It's gonna be interesting. Got him. How they run? 14.2 and 14.4. 331. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Unfortunately, it was very fun to test out the BMW 330. Very fun to see what he ran and just to see testing, basically to see where he stands out. Now that we know what he runs, definitely we're gonna order a cold air intake, charge pipes. We're gonna do a remap of the tune. So I think he'll be able to break 12s, I think personally. I think Jack does as well. But we can't say officially until we get those in, but when we get those in, make a separate video about that. But alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please go like and comment. If you're new to this channel, please go subscribe and let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.